Our journey through the cosmos begins right here. On planet Earth, we look up at the night sky and see a familiar sight, the moon. Did you know that the moon is about 384,000 kilometers away from Earth? That's quite a distance. If you were to drive to the moon in a car at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour, it would take you over 160 days to get there. And from the moon, our home planet would appear as a small blue marble hanging in the vastness of space. This image of Earth, famously called the Earthrise, reminds us of how small and fragile our planet is compared to the vastness of space. Even the distance to our closest celestial neighbor seems enormous. But this is just the beginning of our cosmic journey. As we venture further out, the scales and distances become even more mind-boggling. Our next stop is the solar system, our cosmic neighborhood. To measure distances within the solar system, we use a unit called an astronomical unit, or AU for short. 1 AU is the average distance between the Earth and the Sun, which is about 150 million kilometers. To put that in perspective, light, traveling at the fastest speed possible, takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to travel 1 AU. Our solar system is home to 8 planets, including our own. Mars, often referred to as the red planet, is our closest planetary neighbor. At its closest approach, Mars is about 54.6 million kilometers away from Earth. However, this distance varies as the planets orbit the Sun. At their farthest point, Mars and Earth can be as far apart as 401 million kilometers. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is a staggering 4.5 billion kilometers away. Light from the Sun takes over 4 hours to reach Neptune, and this is just our immediate cosmic neighborhood. In 1977, humanity embarked on an ambitious mission to explore the outer reaches of our solar system. 2 spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were launched into the vast unknown. These robotic explorers have been traveling for over 4 decades, sending back valuable data and stunning images of our cosmic neighborhood. Voyager 1, in particular, holds a special place in our exploration endeavors. Voyager 1 is currently the farthest human-made object from Earth, having traveled over 22 billion kilometers. In 1990, Voyager 1 turned its camera back towards Earth and captured a now iconic image that came to be known as the pale blue dot. This image, showing Earth as a tiny speck of light, underscores the vastness of space and the fragility of our home planet. As we venture further out, we leave behind the familiar territory of our solar system and enter the realm of interstellar space. The boundary between our solar system and interstellar space is marked by the heliopause, the region where the Sun's influence wanes and the interstellar medium begins. But before we reach the heliopause, we encounter a distant and mysterious region known as the Oort cloud. The Oort cloud is a theoretical cloud of icy objects that is believed to surround our solar system at a distance of up to 100,000 AU, or about 1.9 light-years. To give you an idea of just how vast this distance is, 1 light-year is the distance that light travels in 1 year, which is about 9.5 trillion kilometers. The Oort cloud is thought to be the source of long-period comets that occasionally grace our skies. Our journey now takes us beyond the confines of our solar system and into the vast expanse of our galaxy, the Milky Way. Our galaxy is a barred spiral galaxy, a massive collection of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter held together by gravity. The Milky Way is estimated to be about 100,000 light-years in diameter and is home to hundreds of billions of stars, each potentially hosting its own system of planets. To put the size of the Milky Way into perspective, if our solar system were the size of a coin, the Milky Way would be as big as the continental United States. Radio signals from Earth, traveling at the speed of light, have only traveled a tiny fraction of the Milky Way's vast expanse. It's humbling to realize that our planet is just one small world orbiting one star among billions in a single galaxy. Section 6. Beyond the Milky Way intergalactic space. Our cosmic journey doesn't end with the Milky Way. As we venture beyond the outskirts of our galaxy, we enter the realm of intergalactic space, the vast gulf between galaxies. The Milky Way, along with about 50 other galaxies, forms a cluster of galaxies known as the Local Group, which spans about 10 million light-years. Andromeda, our closest galactic neighbor and another spiral galaxy, is about 2.5 million light-years away. Intergalactic space is not completely empty. It contains a sparse scattering of stars, gas and dust, as well as mysterious structures known as galactic voids. These voids are vast regions of space that are nearly devoid of galaxies, and their origin and nature are still not well understood. Section 7. Cosmic structures, groups, clusters, and superclusters. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, we encounter even larger structures. Galaxies are not randomly scattered throughout the universe. They are organized into groups, clusters, and superclusters, forming a vast cosmic web. The Local Group, which includes our Milky Way, is just one small part of a much larger supercluster known as the Virgo supercluster. The Virgo supercluster contains hundreds of galaxy groups and clusters and spans an enormous 110 million light-years, but even the Virgo supercluster is dwarfed by even larger structures, such as the Laniakea supercluster, which is estimated to be about 500 million light-years across and contains our own Virgo supercluster as just one of its many components. These superclusters are thought to be the largest known structures in the universe, shaped by the gravitational pull of dark matter. Section 8. The Observable Universe. Limits of our vision. As we reach the limits of our current observational capabilities, we encounter a mind-boggling concept, the observable universe. The observable universe is the portion of the universe that we can currently observe from Earth. It is a sphere with a radius of about 46.5 billion light-years, centered on us. The light from the most distant objects we can see has been traveling towards us for almost the entire age of the universe, which is about 13.8 billion years. It's important to note that the observable universe is not the same as the entire universe. The universe is expanding, and this expansion is accelerating. This means that there are regions of the universe that are so far away from us that the light from those regions has not had enough time to reach us since the Big Bang. These regions are beyond our current observational limits, and we can only speculate about what might lie beyond the cosmic horizon. Section 9. The Unknown Universe. Mysteries yet to be unraveled. Our journey through the cosmic ocean has taken us from the familiar landscapes of our own planet to the edge of the observable universe. We have encountered celestial wonders of unimaginable scale and beauty, from planets and stars to galaxies and superclusters. But even as we marvel at the vastness of the cosmos, we are reminded of how much more there is to discover. The true size and shape of the entire universe remain unknown. It could be infinite, extending forever beyond our cosmic horizon, or it could be finite, but with a geometry that is beyond our current understanding. The universe is also home to mysteries that continue to baffle scientists, such as dark matter and dark energy, which together make up about 95% of the total energy density of the universe. These enigmatic components of our cosmos hint at a deeper level of reality that we are only beginning to explore. As we continue to explore the universe, we can be sure of one thing. The cosmos will continue to surprise and amaze us with its wonders. From the smallest subatomic particles to the largest cosmic structures, the universe is a place of endless possibilities, and our journey of discovery is far from over.